everyone! In this video I will show you how to create small application where you can transcribe your speech to text. We need one Node-RED UI editor. We need also token from OpenAI. We need to create on Node-RED two flows. That's why we need two function node, two HTTP in request and to response. Okay, we need to change a method to post, and in the first one we need to accept file upload. This endpoint to upload video or audio file and send as a request to OpenAI. Open function node. There we need to add MSG URL. That's OpenAI URL where that we need to return our speech to text. Also, we need to add some headers. On the headers, you need to add your own token. I save my token on the global. You can write right there. And we need to add payload. On payload, we need to write AI model that we need, temperature, and file. We'll need to send like this on the chat. There we need to change method also to post, and we need to return a JSON. That's all for upload. And let's create one more endpoint. To make some actions with text with our transcript, we need to create this endpoint. Also check to post. We didn't need file uploads. We will use a DaVinci model there, and I name it like DaVinci. Okay. Need to set up a function node. There also we need to add a URL from OpenAI that we need. We need to add also headers with your token. Make some actions with prompt. I will set prompt and data that we receive from the upload endpoint. And you need to set up your payload. You need model DaVinci 3. You need temperature, prompt, max token can set up, and all another setting you can read in documentation on OpenAI. There also we can add post, change to post, and return parts.json object, and press deploy and connect to a response. That's all in Node-RED. Let's create first of all our API. We need to rename it. For example, DaVinci. That API will contain URL to Node-RED and the name of our endpoint. That's our name. Change to post. We will send prompt and data. We will return to this API. Let's make some widgets. For example, I need to use container widgets. and put all another on this big container one. I need to add some border, for example this one with 3 and radius as 6. I think that's okay. I also want to add one more container for the header. And 1 pixel. Maybe some shadow. Add text. Rename it speech to text, and I need the biggest font size, and want to add some image on the header. And this will be my image. Okay. Let's add widgets. I wanna use custom widget for download some files. I have a code that I put just there, and on this part just add URL for my node thread. Yes, and I name it upload. Okay. Maybe also change a border. So I will show text from custom widget. I want to add some background color like this, border color like this, and 1 pixel width. I think it's 18, and font style not bold. There I will show message. There I will show message from custom widget. Make it maybe smaller. Okay, I wanna add one more text widget at the end of the page. Add button. This button to download all text that we return after upload video, our transcription. And need to add action, download. Data, I think this text, yes. And extension. Okay, I need to add one button for request and one more button there for download. Now I need input. On this input we will write a prompt for our second API. Also we need to run a query on the click of this button, and want to also change it to secondary, make software. And on this text widget we will show information that return our DaVinci endpoint. Now which will show all data that return from MPI, and in the future we will change this just for the text that we need. I wanna also add border and background like this, border 1, also 18 pixels and not bold. And go to our DaVinci API and write a body. On the prompt we will send text from the input, and on the data we will send from the custom widget message. Yes. And now we can test our application. To test how it works, we can go to deploy, and let's try. Select a file. I will select my file, the video that I created earlier, and we receive information from this video that's transcribed. I can download this prompt. Yes, this is working. That's okay. And I want to ask, make a plan. Have to use platform according to data, and try to request. And we receive information, that's strange information because we didn't write correct path. Also we go to editor, and let's check that we need in data choices 0 text. Choices 0 text. Okay, and download button. Also add action to download information from this widget. And deploy one more time. Let's select a file, wait for download this. That's okay, we get a response. Make prompt, make plan, have to use platform according to data, and send the request. And we receive a plan that we need according to our data. And now we can download this plan. And that's okay. This works. See you in the next video.